Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can target the US audience on TikTok. So first, you need a TikTok account, you need a VPN, and you need to turn off your SIM card, okay? And to do this, first, you need to check this. This is the way that TikTok delivered your content. For example, I'm in Vietnam, so when I post
I heard a quote.
and you will see that is showing that my location here is in Vietnam, like this. And we need to change this location to the US, right? So to do this, you need to first turn off your SIM card. To do this, you can go to cellular and you find the SIM card that you are using. Tap on that and you can turn on this line. Turn it off, okay? Or you can take the SIM out of your phone. It's okay. Now you need a VPN. VPN is to change your IP address. That is your internet address. To do this, I use HMA. It is hide my ass. And you can buy the subscription on the website, or if you want to get an account for cheaper price, you can contact me. Now you need to turn this on. And actually, you can target to people not only in the US, but you can target to many countries. As you can see on top here, it says 290 locations. That means you can type the country that you want to target. For example, if I type Japan in here, and you will see we have Japan and Tokyo. But now I want to target the US users, so I'm going to choose New York. Now let's go back to TikTok. I need to refresh this. Then we go to TikTok again. I'm going to choose a video. Okay, and now you see the location is changed to New York, Manhattan, or some other places. And you can just post and you will see it is distributed to US users. To prove to you that it works, let's check my account's analytics. Go to Creator Tools and you will see the analytics right here. If I go to Followers, then go to Countries, you can see this is almost the US, right? You see that? The age, city, and country. So in recap, you need a TikTok account, you need to turn off your SIM card, and you need a VPN. That's it, guys. Let me know that you can do this. And this is Sydney from hithanhdotcom, and bye-bye.